Hey y'all. So we decided that we would do a family date weekend since we are pretty much quarantined. um, so I planned Saturday and Kenny planned Sunday. And the rules of it were that we couldn't spend money, we couldn't go inside any buildings that were not the trailer, and we couldn't go anywhere that we were in close contact with other people. So for me, my plans didn't really work out like they were supposed to. Everything kept kind of falling apart. But we made the best of it and we still had a really good time. I really enjoyed it. So I guess that's kind of how we need to look at this whole shelter in place and this virus altogether is, we might be stuck inside, but make the most of it, make the best of it, because even though the plans that I had didn't work out, we still had a lot of fun. So we'll show you. There's not a whole lot because, my plan was staying at the campground. I just wanted to do things around the campground. So we'll show you different clips of that. Though there wasn't anything extremely exciting, it was still a really good time.
Yeah, and it was fun, and I think your plans probably worked out better than mine. We managed to cover probably about 50 miles or so of Forest Service, National Forest, dirt, gravel roads that had different trails and stuff that we had planned on hiking, and we were going to go to this one that had a waterfall.
And this is today. This was Kenny's day.
Man, it ended up just being a ride around in the truck for, 3 hours, 4 hours?
4 hours, yeah. But again, we enjoyed doing that.
And I even said, we did enjoy it, and I even said in one of the other clips that you'll see that, we can't really complain too much about the amount of people that were out, because we were doing the same thing. The shelter-in-place order takes effect tomorrow, so everybody's wanting to try and get that one last day in, and especially with it being as nice as it is, he's throwing toys at the dogs. As nice as it is today and everything, everybody was trying to get out and find a body of water or something, just to kind of do something. And so, like I said, I guess you can't complain. We were trying to do the same thing,
but where we went, it's fun to get lost where we went. We've done that before. We literally got lost last time, and this time we found it by getting lost where we were. So we were in a vehicle the whole time, so we were safe. We weren't away from other people.
We adhered to social distancing.
Let's show his outfit real quick. You have to see what he's wearing, and then we'll go ahead and show you our dates. Look at this cute kid with all of those rolls. Rawr, means I love you in dinosaur. All right, we hope you enjoy. Hey, buddy. Hey, bud. What do you think about this little dude? We can't get through. Do you need me to fix your hat? Uh-oh. Did Daddy get you wet? What is that Daddy doing? I see it on the camera. Got you wet. Come on, Dada. Well, you're tough.
He said it's getting cold up my feetsies.
Hey, Dada.
Do like the mother power walker. Or the mom jog.
What's Daddy doing to you?
Do you want the Jurassic Park version of the Tyrannosaurus Rex? Well, guys, it's day 2 of the date days. I guess that's what we're calling them. Date days. It's kind of rainy and muggy outside right now, but hopefully that clears off. It's supposed to clear off around noon. Tomorrow starts the stay at home order. So we're going to try and get out of the trailer, maybe find a hiking trail or something this afternoon. But, so yeah, hopefully this rain clears off and we'll have some cool stuff for y'all to see. We're going to try and get out to like a waterfall or something, I think. So stay tuned.
So we are on our way to Huntfish Falls. We're on a dirt road that takes 23 minutes to get down it, and it's 6 miles long.
And it's a cool little area. It's part of Wilson Creek, but it's Old Mortimer Road that we're on. So we're kind of hoping that getting out here, maybe we'll get away from some of the people and the crowds and stuff, because that's been kind of an issue here the past couple of days with everybody being locked up inside. But really cool area. There's a lot of history in here, so if you're ever in the area, definitely check it out.
And for us, we just enjoy exploring, so even if we get down here and it's packed, or really, I guess for me, I would say even if there's a couple people down here and we leave, we just like exploring. We like driving down random roads, and it's a neat road in the middle of nowhere. So we shall see. So it was packed.
Yeah, social distancing guidelines don't exist out here on trails, I guess, but I guess we can't complain too much. We're out here trying to do the same thing. So
We figured since it was so far out in the middle of nowhere, people wouldn't be out here, but I guess we were wrong.
I guess, yeah, we were probably one of the last people to figure out that this road existed, but onward and forward.
Are you having fun back here?
Alright guys, so as you can see in our videos, we didn't do a whole lot, we didn't do anything crazy or spectacular, and we didn't get to go to some of the places that we wanted to go. But that just kind of goes to show you that you can enjoy the day, you can have fun together, and just get out and spend the time with family, and that's what it's all about. But anyhow guys, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Make sure you hit the like and the subscribe button down below. Hit the little bell symbol so that you get notifications when we post new videos. And again, guys, thank you all so much for supporting us and following us in our journeys. And, you know, everybody stay safe. This will be over soon, hopefully. And hopefully when it's all said and done, we can hit the road and we can start showing y'all some really cool things that we explore and do.